Why your phone cam sucks. Panasonic HC-VX870K just made it obsolete. Twin cam madness. Feeling stuck with shaky, pixelated memories? You ever try filming your kid's first steps or your travel vlog masterpiece, only to end up with grainy, jittery trash that looks like it came from a potato with a lens? Yeah, same. Smartphones lie to us, promising 4K but delivering meh. Your stories deserve more than blurry regrets. Enter frustration, rage quits, and that familiar "why even bother" feeling. If your camera's failing you when it matters most, it's time to ask, is it the tool, or you? Spoiler, it's the tool. Let's dig into why your setup is blocking your creative genius and what's about to fix it, forever. Now crank that pain up to 11. Deadlines piling. Client screaming. Baby doing something adorable and you miss it. Welcome to Filmmaker Burnout, population. You. And let's not even talk about failed PIP shots, wobbly zooms, and missing that golden moment by milliseconds. The stress? Real. The FOMO? Crushing. And the worst part? You could have nailed it if your gear didn't suck. Think of all the killer reels you never posted, the memories forever lost to bad lighting, bad focus, and worse cameras. It's a silent tragedy unfolding on SD cards across the globe. But keep reading, because this story's got a plot twist. Enter the Panasonic HC-VX870K, your new video sidekick. This ain't your uncle's shaky handycam. The HC-VX870K shoots in actual 4K Ultra HD, with crystal clarity and savage detail that phones can't touch. Use your smartphone as a second angle, instantly synced via Wi-Fi. That's PIP magic, baby. It's got HDR for lighting that actually looks cinematic, 20x optical zoom, 5-axis stabilization, and slow mo so smooth it'll make Matrix fight scenes jealous. Oh, and did we mention live streaming, baby monitoring, and stop motion? This camera doesn't just record, it unleashes you. It's not extra. It's essential. This is your creative renaissance in a box. Simplify your workflow and get your time and sanity back. The HC-VX870K gets you focused faster than caffeine and cuts down retakes like a pro editor on payday. The touchscreen? Smooth. The controls? Intuitive. The footage? So sharp it could slice your editing time in half. Finally, a camcorder that's smarter than your phone, steadier than your hands, and slicker than your influencer friend's setup. Whether you're filming family chaos or cinematic YouTube bangers, this camcorder adapts like a chameleon on Red Bull. Tap the link below to see just how crazy powerful this twin cam beast really is. Once you see it, you'll never go back. Seize it. Or lose it. Thousands of creators, vloggers, and proud parents already ditched their dusty DSLRs and smartphones for the Panasonic HC-VX870K, and the results? Scroll-stopping gold. Don't wait until it's out of stock, again. Don't convince yourself your phone's good enough. You know better. Real creators don't settle, they gear up. So here's your shot, jump on this before the price hikes, the supply drops, or another memory passes you by. Your audience is waiting. Your family's growing. Your story's unfolding. Grab the HC-VX870K now and make every frame a freaking masterpiece.